Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to compare the slow motion 960 FPS video recording between the Poco X3 versus the Realme X7 Pro. As you can see friends, this is a Realme X7 Pro. And let's see friends, what are the features we do get with the both the phones in terms of the slow motion, and what is the maximum slow motion you can record in both the phones. So that is another thing you need to know in between the Poco X3 and the Realme X7 Pro. I'm using the Poco X3 for so many months, and even the Realme X7 Pro as well. And during this time I did upload so many videos. I think more than 250 videos on this one and more than 200 videos on this one. So I have been using so much friends with both the phones, so make sure to check those playlists in case if you're interested to know everything about these wallpapers and a lot of things. So make sure to check the links in description. So let's get started with the first thing is that let me quickly open the camera interface to make you sure that what are the options we are getting with the slow motion recording. So now let me quickly open the slow motion shot in the Realme and even in this Poco X3 as well. So one thing I do like in the Poco X3 is that the interface of the camera application is really good. So when compared with the Realme phones, I do like the interface here. And if you tap the three lines, as soon as you tap the three lines, you do get this kind of option of displaying, as you can see. So there is no 960 FPS recording in the Realme X7. As you can see friends, this is a Realme X7 and there is no 960 FPS. Unfortunately, that's a really drawback. So maybe with the future updates we might be able to receive 960 FPS. But as you can see in the Poco X3, so you do have the 960 FPS with the 720 resolution, 240 FPS with 720 and 120 FPS with the 1080. So this is what you can record right now. So but the time being, I'll try to use a 960 FPS, which is a maximum which you can record in the Poco X3, and 240 FPS is a maximum which you can record in the Realme X7 Pro. I'll try to take the shot of the lighter, so which I did take in both the phones using this lighter. As you can see friends, I'll try to show you the both slow motion shots side by side, so you can actually see the difference which phone is really good in terms of the clarity and details, and in super slow motions as well. I'll try to show you side by side friends. So it is a shot which are taken in both the phones, and now let me try to quickly compare both the phones in terms of the slow motion recording. As you can see friends, this is the Poco X3's slow motion shot which has been recorded, and is a Realme X7 Pro's slow motion shot. And in both the phones, one thing I did notice is that the slow motion 960 FPS is really helpful in this Poco X3 device. So whereas in the Realme X7 Pro you can't see the flames much in the slow motion. That's another drawback, I would say definitely friends. Just observe this side by side. You can see the Poco X3 how good and how slow motion it is. So even the details are really good in this phone, even when you zoom inside the image. As you can see friends clearly, you can see this frame how it is. It's really good watching the slow motion in this phone. And whereas in the Realme X7 Pro you can see here it's not that slow motion. So there is another reason why you are not getting that kind of good shots in this phone. As you can see friends, so obviously the Poco X3 has got a really good advantage in terms of the slow motion recording. So maybe with the future updates we might be able to get that kind of 960 FPS definitely. And most of the people, I know they don't use the slow motion, but definitely if you're one kind of person who likes to take the slow motion shots, then definitely you need this kind of high slow motion recording 960 FPS in your device. So that's it friends, this is a quick comparison between both the phones, and overall the clarity, I do like both the phones in terms of the clarity, but I prefer the Poco X3's phone in terms of the super hyper slow motion in this phone. And thank you for watching this video friends, and for more interesting comparison make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and don't forget to check the links in description, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.